guys, so today I am going to tell you how to get a texture pack in Multicraft. So you have to go to the browse online content and it will probably show you this. It has 32 packages for different games, mods, texture packs and others. Okay, so you can go to games and you will see the mind test game. A lightweight and well-maintained base for modding. Okay, I already downloaded this. If you don't understand this description, which is below the Mindless game, you can view the more information in a web browser. And I already downloaded Mindless game. If this shows plus for you, probably you have to press this. You have to press this and it will become X, and if you press this and if you press it again you will uninstall it. If you press okay, so now back to the main menu. Mind test game. You'll probably see the mind test game in your install packages. So now when you press this button right here, it probably shows you something else here. So if you press this button, it might show you the mind test game. I will just make a new world. I just make a new world which is called truck. Okay. So now to browse online content, you might see Mindless game in your installed packages. Okay, so now instead of going to games, you have to go to texture packs. Soothing 32, lightweight, yes, aesthetically pleasing texture pack. Okay, I will download Soothing 32. This is a good. I think I can use this for some of my videos. So now back to the main menu. So now back to the here you will see Soothing 32, which is enabled. So now when you go to the Mindless game on your world, you will see this texture pack. This is Soothing 32 texture pack. You can download any texture pack you want, but just keep this in mind. You can download any texture pack, but just keep this in mind. When you download a new texture pack, I think I need just one more texture pack, yes. So when you download any texture pack, you have to press use texture pack, because otherwise it will not be enabled on your Mindless game. Okay, so thank you. So now let me go back to my world. And yes, this was the big texture pack. This was the texture pack. The pink texture pack, I know, but yes, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today about Minecraft. Bye.